The Russian Far East boasts extraordinary biodiversity, making it one of the most unique natural regions on Earth. Its ecosystems range from Arctic tundra to temperate forests, providing habitats for a wide variety of species found nowhere else. At the heart of the region lies the majestic Siberian Taiga, the world's largest boreal forest. This vast ecosystem is home to the iconic Siberian, or Amur, tiger, the largest cat on the planet, as well as the critically endangered Amur leopard, with only around 100 individuals remaining in the wild. The taiga also shelters the Asiatic black bear and the powerful Kamchatka brown bear. The Kamchatka Peninsula, famous for its active volcanoes and thermal springs, supports a thriving population of salmon, a cornerstone of the local food chain. Along its rivers and coasts, the magnificent Steller sea eagle, one of the largest birds of prey in the world, can be found. In the tundra and northern taiga, the rare Siberian crane endures, while the wetlands of the Amur and Lena rivers serve as vital breeding grounds for migratory birds. Further south, the temperate forests of Sikhote Alin host a rich array of wildlife, including deer, wild boar, and a variety of small mammals and birds. These creatures play essential roles in maintaining the delicate balance of these unique ecosystems.